And after a turn, yes, after just one turn we were at Fairy Meadows. Hidden in the mountains, thousands of years old paradise was in front of us. We were standing at a height of 17,000 feet and the world's greatest mountain Nanga Parbat was in front of us. A sheet of clouds was slowly sliding from Nanga Parbat's body. Due to the combination of sunlight and Nanga Parbat's virgin body, the atmosphere was scattered with silver. At the foot of Nanga Parbat was a long glacier bowing. The head of the glacier was